What's up everyone? It's Kumar. I'm super excited to have you here today because we're talking about something that's a big milestone for many. Buying your own home. If you're a salaried professional dreaming of that perfect house, this episode is just for you. We'll break down everything you need to know about home loans, especially tailored for people with a steady income. Buying a house is a huge decision, and it's probably one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. So it's important to make informed choices and avoid common mistakes. We'll walk you through how to compare different banks, what to look for in the fine print, and how to spot hidden charges. Plus, I'll share strategies to help you negotiate better rates and save a lot of money in the long run. Even a small difference in interest rates can save you lakhs of rupees over the years, so it's worth paying attention to every detail and doing your homework. And don't miss out on our bonus tips at the end. These are insider secrets that most people overlook, but they can really make a huge difference in your home loan journey. Let's jump right in and get you closer to your dream home. First up, let's talk about your credit score, one of the most important numbers in your financial life. Think of it as your golden ticket, opening doors to better loan rates, more favorable terms, and even higher chances of approval when you need a mortgage or car loan. A high credit score tells banks and lenders that you're trustworthy and responsible with money, making them much more likely to offer you lower interest rates and better deals. To build and maintain a strong score, always pay your bills on time. Late payments can really hurt your score and make borrowing more expensive. Keep your credit card balances low compared to your credit limits, and try to pay off as much as you can each month to show lenders you're not overextending yourself. Also, avoid applying for too much new credit at once. Each application can temporarily lower your score and make you look risky to lenders. Remember, building a great credit score takes time and patience, but the payoff is huge when you're ready to apply for a home loan. Make your credit score a top priority, and you'll thank yourself later. Now let's talk about comparing interest rates. Don't just accept your usual bank's offer. Shop around. SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, and smaller lenders all have different deals. Even a tiny rate difference can save you a lot over the years. Do your research and find the best fit for your needs. Now, it's time to decide between fixed and floating interest rates for your home loan. A choice that can shape your financial journey for years to come. Each option has its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks, so understanding them is key. Fixed rates mean your monthly payments stay the same throughout the loan term, offering you peace of mind and making it easier to plan your budget without surprises. On the other hand, floating rates can change with the market, so your payments might go up or down depending on economic conditions and interest rate trends. Fixed is great for stability and for those who value certainty, especially if you want to avoid unexpected increases in your monthly expenses. Floating could save you money if rates drop, but it also means you need to be comfortable with some unpredictability in your payments. Think carefully about your risk tolerance, your long-term financial goals, and how much flexibility you need in your budget. Ultimately, choose the option that fits your comfort level and future plans. Take your time, compare your choices, and make an informed decision. Before signing anything, know what you can afford. Use EMI calculators and eligibility checkers to see your monthly payments and borrowing limits. Play with different amounts and tenures to fit your budget. Avoid surprises later. Watch out for hidden fees, processing charges, prepayment penalties, administrative costs, and more. Always ask your lender for a full breakdown so you're never caught off guard or surprised. That's it. You're ready to tackle home loans like a pro. Do your research, compare options, and ask questions to get the best deal. If this helped, like and subscribe for more finance tips. Happy house hunting!